Okay, chemist, so this will be another one that's on your test, and it is determining the percent mass or percent by mass or percent composition, however I word it on there. But this one says determine the percent mass of carbon in carbon monoxide. So there's kind of different layers to this question. First off, you have to be able to write out the formula for carbon monoxide. So this is a covalent bond. This is a nonmetal. This is a nonmetal. So it's covalent. And this carbon, not having a prefix, means there's just one. Monoxide means that there's one oxygen. So it's just CO. So there's your carbon monoxide. So to find the percent mass that carbon contributes to this whole molecule, I have to find their individual masses. So I use the periodic table, which tells me that carbon has a mass of 12.01 AMU. I ran out of room for the units, but you know what I mean. Oxygen, periodic table wise, coming in at 16.0. So carbon monoxide as a molecule has a percent mass of 28.01 AMU. Okay, to find out the percent that carbon contributes to this whole molecule. So I want to know what percent of this mass is strictly carbon. So I take the part, which is carbon, over the total, which is all of it together, and then times 100. So part over total times 100. So let's do that. 12.01 divided by 28.01 times 100 equals, and so if I just continue that down below, I'm going to have to use a calculator super quick, just because I let the calculator do the work for me. Always want to have control over the machines. So 12.01 divided by 28.0 gives me 0.428. So if I multiply that by 100, it will give me, if I round it off, 43% of this is carbon. So that means that 43% of the mass of carbon monoxide is, 43% of the mass of carbon monoxide is carbon, which means the other 57% is contributed by the oxygen, which makes sense because the 16 is slightly more than the 12. So it's going to contribute a little bit more to the overall total. And that's it. That's as simple as it gets.